We all make khichdi at home, but let's make something different. I made dal sabzi khichdi with chili oil. So let's make it. I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice with half cup of moong dal, and I've added carrots, capsicum, tomatoes, green peas, whole red chilies, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder and water. I added 2 cups of water and half cup of milk. Then I pressure cooked the khichdi for 15 minutes. To make the chili oil, I've taken garlic, ginger, green onions, green chilies, red chili flakes, paprika, and dark soy sauce, and very hot oil. Do this step very carefully, pour it slowly, and let it sit with everything. And this is your most amazing chili oil, trust me. Once the khichdi was ready, I added a bit more water because I wanted the khichdi to have like porridge like consistency. You can eat it thick as well, but this is how I like it. So I added water and simmered it for about 6 7 minutes. Then put the khichdi in the plate, add the chili oil on top, and I just garnish it with some dried parsley just to be fancy, nothing else. And enjoy with some achar and pickled onions.